was my brother that influenced me on joining the military. He went off to join the Marines, and I seen like the great things he was doing for his country. I want to do some of this stuff also, protect the country, so I decided I was going to join the Army while he was in the Marines. I was on the ground as a dismount looking for a roadside bomb, and the roadside bomb found me that day.
Just speaking with him, you don't realize the impact it had on him physically and mentally. When you actually see the pictures of what he went through and you hear the full story, man, it really hits your heart.
I feel like I did something great for my country. I helped protect my battle buddies. There's people still alive because of me. I love mowing lawn actually. Growing up back home, I used to cut the grass all the time. I used to get out, push my little small mower around town, asking people to cut their grass.
He was having trouble finding a lawnmower that was fit his specific needs for his disabilities and also his home situation.
He came up and says, "Case, we need a solution." So we just did some research and came up with a 30-inch deck on a stand-on riding mower as opposed to a sit-on.
I love that lawnmower. I love it. I get out sometimes. Once I finish cutting my grass, I might go out in the backyard just to ride it sometimes, just get out the house.
Being deployed several times myself, 12 years in the Marines, there's definitely a connection Chris and I have. We've become really close. I definitely even consider him a friend now. Being able to provide, for us to provide him that sense of independence and some of that freedom back into his life, something as simple as just mowing the yard, really brings a lot of joy to everybody. So it's really happy to see that worked out.